everyone, welcome to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos on iPhone. It's pretty easy to edit your photos on your iPhone using the built-in Photos app. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to edit your photo using the built-in Photos app on your iPhone, first, make sure that your iPhone is updated to the iOS 13. Tap Open your Photos app. From your Photos library, select any picture that you'd like to edit. Once you find the picture of your choice, tap on the Edit button at the upper right hand of the screen. In the iPhone photo editor, there are 3 icons at the bottom of the screen. Or, if you are editing a live photo, there will be 4 icons. In order to edit your photo, the best place to start is by making a quick adjustments to your color, brightness, and sharpness. From this page, you'll be able to see rows of adjustment tools. You can swipe across them in order to find more tools. Select this Auto option in order to automatically adjust the color and brightness level in your photo. Similarly, you can also go ahead and use the exposure and other adjustment tools. Play around a while, find the best edits for your photo. You can also use filters right next to it in order to adjust the color tone of your image. If you don't like a certain part in a picture, you can tap on the crop icon right here, select the part of the picture that you'd like to include, and tap on Done at the bottom right. If your photo does not look leveled, you can easily straighten it by tapping on the Straighten tool over here and drag the slider in order to rotate and straighten the photo. Sometimes you might want to adjust the vertical or horizontal perspective in your photo. To do so, tap on this next option right here, drag the slider in order to adjust the vertical perspective. Similarly, in order to adjust the horizontal perspective, select this next tool. Again, drag the slider right beneath in order to straighten up your photo as you want it to. Another tool is located at the top left corner of the screen. There are 2 icons, that is, Flip and Rotate. The first one can flip the photos. In order to flip your image horizontally, the Rotate icon right next to it, as you can see it right here at the top left, this will rotate your photo 90 degrees at a time. After you're done, tap on the Done button in the bottom right corner. And that is how you can easily edit photos on your iPhone. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.